Hello! On this video, we will learn how to use Mantle Master. To get the basic concept easier, let's imagine that it is a simplified hybrid of mind mapping and diagramming service, something between MindMaster and Miro. I suggest you to run the service before you continue watching this video, so you can easily test it following video instructions. Now press the pause and open the service. The link is in the description to this video. By the way, you can start creating mind maps and diagrams in Mantle Master without any registration. All you need to do is to follow the link provided below this video. One more thing, any feedback from you is highly appreciated. Please let us know what you miss or what we should do to make things easier for you. To share your ideas, just drop a line in comments or contact us directly. Our contacts are available in the video description. To begin with, let us create a node. The easiest way is to double-click anywhere on the canvas. You can also set up a node text right after the creation of the node. The other way to create the node is to drag a connection from the existing node. Just put a mouse over one of the blue dots around the existing node. Click the left mouse button, move the mouse cursor to the appropriate location, and release the left mouse button. To configure node settings, like fill color, all you need to do is to highlight the node and choose the corresponding option on the option panel. You can configure the connection settings as well. Click once on the connection to see its option panel. If you don't like straight lines, you can add angles to the particular line. Press and hold Alt button, then click on the corresponding line area. Now you can drag the point to make line take the needed form. If you want to remove the point, just select it and press Delete button. To set up a connection text, click twice on it and enter your text. Use double-click to edit your text. To set up the node icon, just select the node and click on the appropriate icon. If you want to hide the icon panel from the screen, just click the corresponding switch. You can also set up the node description, edit it, or remove it. Another interesting feature is node caption. You can set up its color. If you need to edit caption text, just click twice on it. If you want to create another node using only your keyboard, just click Enter on the current node selected. If you want to join several nodes into one block, you can create a container. Just hold Ctrl button, click the left mouse button, drag the mouse to create a rectangle and release left mouse button and Ctrl. You can drag and drop existing nodes on the container or create a new one on it. You can also move the container. As you can see, the nodes are tied to it. You can also drag the node out of the container. We can change container properties or change its caption. We can also change container dimensions. If you want to save your map to edit later, just click Save and Share button. After the saving, you can find your map link in the clipboard, so you can demonstrate your map to your colleagues. If you want to rename the map, double-click on its name and enter the new one. If you want to review your existing maps, follow the corresponding link. Here you can also remove or rename existing maps. Thank you for your attention. Waiting for your feedback.